Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, shine on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray. So let's first take off the case of the phone. There we go. And the tray is located right here. Now it actually looks like it's toolless. Yep, so it looks like we don't actually need this, so never mind. But yeah, you can whip it out. Now if you have fairly weak fingernails, you might want to just kind of like use this to pry it out, like so. Yeah, this will work too. But this one actually seems to come out without that much force, so might be redundant. Now, on the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. So you could grab one of the SIM cards and place it sideways like so on the tray. Now I'm going to be using each one of these trays for its dedicated purpose. So I'm going to move the SIM card over to its spot. There we go. And I'm going to drop my card on its dedicated spot as well. And there we go. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray and then carefully insert it back into the device. Carefully, as there's nothing holding them in place. So they could kind of like pop out of its position. There we go. Once you insert the tray, these cards should start working right away. As you can see, my SIM card is already being detected as it's prompting me to put in the SIM card pin. And we should also have some info, there we go, about the SD card being detected as well. So both of the cards are working without any additional steps. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.